Good Thursday afternoon, everybody. Thanks for joining us here on the winter solstice, the day with the least amount of daylight. But starting tomorrow, we start to add more time back onto the daylight clock. 38 degrees right now here in Fargo. The record 42 for this date. We are seeing a little bit of sunshine. Wind out of the south at 13 miles per hour. Moorhead at 36, Grand Forks 34. Wind out of the south at 20 miles per hour. So we are seeing that breezy afternoon with temperatures generally in the 30s. 36 in Jamestown and Fergus Falls, 34 in Wadena. We're at 36. Or 33 rather, Devil's Lake, 40 out in Minot. Looking at the satellite and radar, we are seeing some clearing as anticipated in parts of eastern North Dakota. Radar still picking up on a little bit of light wintry mix, though that is not making it down to the surface. This afternoon, temperatures still expected to warm a couple of degrees. Some areas very close to that 40-degree mark. Looking at your first alert forecast, the breeze will now start to subside over the next few hours into the afternoon with a little bit of additional clearing moving into the Central Valley. We'll see how much of that clearing can happen before the sun sets for the day. Then cloud cover builds back in, and we're watching tonight for the chance of some fog, some freezing fog with temperatures below freezing. So tomorrow morning could be a little slick, could be a little icy, might need to scrape the windshield off before you head out to work. But otherwise, the day is looking mostly cloudy with temperatures again in the 30s to near 40 degrees. Tomorrow afternoon temperatures will be chilliest up to the north, 30 degrees by the 4 o'clock hour, 34 in Roseau, Fargo, Detroit Lakes, 35 in Oaks, warmer down to the south. A little more detail now on our first alert weather days for Christmas Eve and Christmas Day. Still expecting wintry travel. The low pressure system that we've been watching is still off the coast of California, so we are watching it. Once it actually makes it onto land, we'll get a lot more data from sensors across the state and across the western U.S. But here's what it is starting to shape up to look like here in our neck of the woods. Some very light showers may be developing Saturday night, but the better chance arrives by Sunday morning. Sunday morning is Christmas Eve. Areas of rain, areas of freezing rain, and areas of snow. As this lifts into the north and east with the low pressure down to our south, we'll see additional areas of freezing rain, snow, and liquid rain. This sticks around for much of Sunday afternoon. Still, the big question is where this transition zone is going to set up, and with temperatures, how much accumulation we'll be able to get. By Christmas morning, this forecast model still keeping some freezing rain in southeastern North Dakota. The rest of the day looking good until late. The low pressure system pushing back up north a little bit, pushing another chance of some rain and some wintry mix into our Tuesday. Still looking at freezing rain and light snow leading to icy roads. So still expecting some travel impacts. But before then, temperatures looking really good. Saturday, 45 degrees. And even after our first alert weather days, Bobby, temperatures are still going to remain above average as we round out the year.
Yeah, definitely not looking too shabby to end 2023. Ending on a good note. I never thought December would be this good. Summer, thank you so much.